how to activate Sky Mobile SIM. So here's how you do it. First, you want to open up the browser on your phone and then Google search for activate Sky Mobile SIM. Go to this first website. It is going to tell us that you're in the right place, but before you activate your SIM, you need to log into your Sky account or create a new one. So what we're going to do is click on sign in or sign up. We will need to put our email address right here. So I'm just going to do that real quick. And then you want to click on continue. Okay, so click on continue and it's going to ask for your name and password. So I'm just going to input that and continue again. Okay, so it just sent a verification to my email. I'm going to click on verify now. And oops, I want to use Safari actually. Okay, so we're gonna verify and now we can continue. Okay, so again, now I went back to the main page and it's gonna ask for your last name. Okay, you've created, now we can continue here. So it's gonna take us to this website. Okay, so you will be able to manage all of your products. You can click on link Sky ID here. So after you input your information here, such as the surname and the postcode, you will need to verify your account using billing details or credit card details, and just click on continue, go through the prompts, and the next step will be activating your SIM card. It's very simple. It's just going to ask for the numbers. So I hope this helps. Leave a like and sub, and I'll see you next time.